When you think about retirement, what do you picture? Do you envision spending time with your children, grandchildren, friends, and loved ones? Or perhaps you're going to go to the airport, buy a ticket, and hop on the next plane to an exotic unknown destination. No matter what your idea of retirement is, it's important to think about them and how you'll accomplish those goals within your investment plan. Hi, I'm Gabriel Lewitt, and this is SGL TV. For some, the thought of retirement conjures up images of boredom, uncertainty, or even fear. For others, it's the moment of their lives they've been eagerly waiting for decades. With that in mind, your first step in retirement is determining exactly what you want your ideal retirement goals to look like. When you do this exercise, try to avoid thinking about your money and investments. In fact, you can even brainstorm things you would do if money were no object. Think of this as your retirement bucket list. Perhaps you'll finally take that trip to Machu Picchu, or you'll finally start those ukulele lessons. Or maybe you'll head to California to visit your grandkids for the summer. The ideas are really endless. But the key is that these are ideas that are truly unique and personal to you. Once you have your retirement goals in mind, your next step is to make them happen. Now, this is usually when the worries and fears about money come flooding to the forefront. To overcome this, the key is having a sound financial and investment plan. At SGL Financial, we'll help you build this plan. We'll plug in all your retirement goals and show you how to better enjoy your retirement years without worrying about money. Sounds pretty good, right? Need support determining your retirement goals and investment plan? Give us a call. We'd really love to help.